In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build contact sheets in Adobe Bridge. A contact sheet is a tidy grid of thumbnails that makes it easy to review, share, or print a whole batch of photos at once. We'll walk through selecting your images, choosing a layout, customizing the look, and exporting a polished PDF. Start in Adobe Bridge by navigating to the folder that holds the photos you want to include. In the Content panel, select the images you want. You can Command-click on Mac or Control-click on Windows to pick individual shots, and Shift-click to grab a continuous range. Take a moment to confirm you have everything you need. A clean selection now will save time later. Next, switch to the Output workspace. At the top of Bridge, click the Output button. This workspace is designed specifically for building contact sheets. You'll see the Output preview in the center, the Content panel with your images at the bottom, and the Output Settings panel on the right where most of the controls live. Begin by choosing a template. In the Output Settings panel, open the Template drop-down and pick a predefined grid, such as 2 by 2 or 3 by 4. If you want more control, choose Custom so you can set your own rows and columns. Templates are a great starting point. You can always refine the layout afterward. Now add images to the canvas. Drag your selected files from the Content panel up into the Output preview. You can rearrange the order by dragging thumbnails within the preview until the sequence feels right. If you have more images than fit on one page, Bridge will create additional pages automatically, keeping the layout consistent. Customize your document settings on the right. Set the page size, such as letter or A4, and choose Portrait or Landscape based on your grid. Pick a background color and adjust resolution and image quality. For print, a resolution around 300 ppi looks crisp. For on-screen review, a lower resolution keeps file sizes manageable. Fine-tune the grid and margins by setting the number of rows and columns, then adjust cell spacing and margins so everything breathes evenly. Auto-spacing options can help maintain consistent gutters and edges, which makes the sheet easier to scan. If you want a professional touch, add a header or footer. You can type custom text, choose the font, size, and alignment, and include page numbers when needed. Keep it concise so it supports, rather than distracts from, the images. Bridge shows a live preview as you tweak settings. When everything looks good, click Export to PDF in the Output Preview panel. Choose a save location and a clear file name, export, and you're done. Open the PDF to give it a final check before sharing or printing.